Hello students, in this video we will discuss about ERP system. What is ERP system? ERP system is an application or you can say tool that will be help in your business communication. Means here in the business communication how it will be help like your data will be in the system and that system is centralized system that will be collect all the data is stored from areas. Means that one organization you have, so in that organization every different departments are there and every different departments have some data, so they will be stored somewhere. So all the data will be collected in the one system, that is the centralized system, like finance, like accounting, like HR, CRM, production management, business units. All different departments have some data and that will be stored in one system, and that system will be centralized so that every person those are related in the organization they can use whatever data they need from another department also, and within the department also they can use it. What are the benefits are there? So primary benefits in the organization are in the by the ERP are for the business leaders to real-time visibility, for the business leaders and team with instant access. Means that everything will be already visible. For any query you can see and access your system and you can get all the solutions. So business leaders and teams for instant access, every data they can access easily and instantly, help automate and streamline tasks and redundant process. No redundant process will be there. Means that if everyone have some data, okay, for example one student are taking admission and in the admission time he got the hostel room number something X, okay, after 1 year he is changing his room, okay, so X to Y room will be changed. So hostel persons have some data, admission person have some data, financial people have some data, okay. So if ERP system will be there, then what will happen? The hostel warden person update that data, and that data he has to inform all the departments which are related to the student, okay. But in the ERP, if hostel warden person changing that update that data, then that will be updated for everyone, okay. So this is the primary benefit. So here no redundant data will be there, and that will be also automatic and streamlined task. So give need data to employees. So every employee got the needing data, whatever data that employee needs they can get it. Means ERP system will give access by anywhere. Means that mobility you can use it, you can use outside and inside, anywhere you can use access your data. Increase productivity, collaborate easily, powerful reporting and forecasting tools. Here one point will be coming forecasting tools, how ERP can forecast anything. Means that if ERP have some business purpose tool, okay, so every data ERP have some within the organization data and market strategy data also coming by the marketing strategic peoples. So every type of data is coming in the ERP have some capability to compare very easily different types of things. So by this comparison he has to able to give some outputs, and that outputs will be used for future purpose. So if any system have the capability to produce some outputs which will be used in future for you, that means that system have the capability to give forecasting. So like these type of tools also have in this ERP, because they can give some output in the form of reports, okay. And all the data source are kept. Means that every data will be stored in the time wise year wise and person wise. So all the data will be stored in the systematically. So these are the primary benefits by the ERP. Thank you.